Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and this deal, my goodness gracious, I think there might be some smoke coming from the cash register over at the Dollar General, where you can get these 4 Snickers peanut brownie. It is the 1.20, I think it's ounces. Yeah. So it is the smaller single serve candy bar for 20 cents or 5 cents per candy bar. Mind blown. Special thank you to Broad over on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram in the notes if you wish to follow her. She posted this video last night and I was shocked that I could even do it. So I think it is this specific candy bar only where this deal is stacking, and we're going to go through the mechanics of it. But my goodness gracious, like 5 cents per candy bar, run. And will they pull something for this deal not to work in a bit? I don't know. But if you can go do this deal sooner than later, make it happen. I did this around 9 o'clock and it worked beautifully. So at checkout, at the bottom, they had these Snickers brownie candy bars. So at the bottom, you know where they have all the candy and mints and all that stuff when you're checking out, just like last minute stuff that you would grab. This is found on the bottom shelf at my store. It might be in a different place though, because depending how many cash registers, they have different displays of candy and such. There's a couponer out there that has a pretty funny sense of humor where I live, because this person left me exactly 4. So whoever you are, thank you. They left me exactly 4 so I could do the deal once. And for this deal, you're going to need exactly 4 of these candy bars. Now, just to save you guys a bit of headache, because if you live in a bigger city and say your area is heavily couponed, I'm going to show you guys the UPC here. So if you want to get a screenshot and then try and use the Dollar General app to scan the UPC, and you can see how many there are in your store with the new modified update to the Dollar General app. So here is the UPC. So grab a screenshot or put this video on your television so you can either punch in the number or, scan it. And it should say, if you did the new update, precisely how many are in your store. And I found this right at the front checkout. So if you can't find it, maybe a cashier can help you, or, just look around a little bit. But this is the UPC to scan in. Also, let's pay attention to that expiry date, October of this year. So you have to eat these sooner than later, that is for sure. So these are the digital coupons that you need. You need the 75% off of 2, and I was able to load both of these yesterday, plus the buy 3, get 1 for free, which is another Dollar General coupon. Plus, you look at the bottom, the promotion is to buy 1 Snickers brownie single, get the second one for free. So it's a culmination of a bunch of promotions all stacking together. If you wanted to be smart and just get a different type of Snickers, it has to be this specific one as per that promotion right there written at the very bottom. So taking a peek at the receipt here, as you can see, we have digital coupons, the store promotion, the other promotion, like every single thing stacking. And the final total here is 20 cents for me. Now, IBOTTA has a rebate. However, that rebate is for the king size, the larger packs, not these single serve. And then I know that Broad had 75 cents back on coupons.com, that app, and she was able to get that to go. Unfortunately, I didn't clip that 75 cent back when you buy 2 candies, so I can't even do the rebate with coupons.com. But double, triple check. Maybe your region got it and I unfortunately didn't. But I would do this deal sooner than later, and 20 cents for 4 candy bars is a really stupendous deal. Do this on your lunch break, or if you're just out and about and you caught this video, my goodness gracious, what a superb deal. And if you want to follow Broad, she sometimes has these really unique sort of deals over at the Dollar General. She's a really great Dollar General shopper. Go and follow. She's a great gal. We'll catch you guys in the next one, and get your candy. Bye.